Welcome to my channel. I am Masud Rana. I am showing you how to make this object using FreeCAD software. The FreeCAD team helped me to model this object, so I thank them very much. I am inspired from this model contemporary YouTube channel. They are making this object using Blender 3D software. This video name Organic Hard Surface Blender Modeling Tutorial. Now I am showing you how to make this shape using FreeCAD. Now let's go do it. New file, and we also save this model first. We need to knowledge about the drawing. This is the drawing. This shape length is 120 millimeter. The main circular radius is 30 millimeter and height 20 millimeter and thickness 20 millimeter, and circular height is 60 millimeter here, and here is the cross section. 70 millimeter is this fillet, 20 millimeter is the center circle, and second circle 25 millimeter, and third circle is 30 millimeter. At first we create this shape. Now let's go create a body object, then create a sketch. Going to front view, active the construction geometry, then select this line and select this center line and select center line, and I will give this length 120 millimeter. Then this object and select this center point and select this point. Press S for symmetry. Now I am create a circle. Disable this construction geometry. Now select this circle and select this center line and make a circle. Select this circle and press R. Create a radius 30 millimeter. Now select this vertices and select this circle and press O for constraint point onto object. Now press the GM for create a polyline and select this circle. Now I will create a vertical length 20 millimeter and select this line and select these vertices and press O for constraint point onto object. Now select this vertices and select this center line and select this vertices. Press S for symmetry. Now symmetry this line, and we are created fully constraint sketch. Bevel this to shape. At first trim this circle. Press GT. Active the trim command. Here is the trim command. We can select this. Now remove this sketch. Now going to fillet. Select this line and select this circle. Here is the fillet. Select this circle and select this line. Create a fillet. Now select this vertices and select these vertices and press center line object and press S for symmetry. Now this vertices, when I will move these two vertices and top fillet sketch automatically move. Now select this fillet and press R for radius. I'll check this sketch. Here is the 70 millimeter radius for this fillet object. Now press 70. Now create again sketch and press R for radius 20 millimeter. Here is the 20 millimeter, the third circle. Now close this object. Now select this sketch and press right button the mouse and select this copy, then OK. Now select this complex shape and create another body, then press this sketch. Now select this and move this body 1. Select this XG plane 002 and delete this. Now select this sketch and right button the mouse and going to attachment editor. Now going to around x-axis 90 degree and going to around g-axis 180 degree, then into the OK. Now create two sketch. Now select this body and press the space button and hide this object. Now select this body object, then press the right button mouse, then toggle active this body. Now select this sketch, press the pad button. Now I will give the length 60 millimeter and press the symmetry to plane. Now OK. Again I will create the sketch. Select XG plane. Now press this X-ray button and create a circle again. Select this external geometry. Point this vertices and press and select this circle and press R button for insert a radius 25 mm. Now close this and we can pad this object and press symmetric. Select this sketch and delete this. We're going to mistake. We need to select this sketch and create a radius 20 mm. 25 mm. Now close and create a sketch again and select this XG plane. Going to front view and going to extreme mode. So select this construction geometry node. Press now add a circle sketch and radius will be 25 mm. Now close and select this pad, symmetric this plane. This pad will be 10 mm length. Now select this pad. Now select this face and create a sketch. Now going to extreme mode, select another circle. At first we select this, construct external geometry and add a circle sketch. Now select this point and select this circle and insert the radius 20 mm. Close this sketch and press the pad icon and also the type through all. Now okay. Similarly select this sketch, first of this body, hide this. Now select this body and on toggle active body. Again I will re-edit this sketch, double click to radius 20 mm and press 25 mm. Now close this sketch and press the pad icon. Going to length 60 mm, then okay. Now create another sketch. Now select this XG plane, select this sketch and delete. Going to top view, create a sketch XY plane. I'm going to wrong. Select this pad and press double click. Select this symmetric plane, then okay. Now create a sketch again. Select this XY plane 001. Go to top view, X-ray this object. Now select this circle, add a circle. Now close this object, close this sketch. Now select this sketch and select this pad. Select symmetric to plane 10 mm. Now okay. Then select this face and create another sketch. Going to extreme mode, external geometry, add a circle, this radius 20 mm. Now close this sketch and going to pad type. Now we create two object. Here is now this object. I will select active the toggle body. Now select this object and create a boolean operation. Here is the boolean tool. Now select this object and add body. Here is the add body. Here is the fuse option. I will select this common. That's mean remove this top object and cutting this side object, bottom cutting. Similarly this object. Now click this common, then okay. So here is our object. This object showing the problem because this object, this pad, I will not create the symmetry. Now fix this problem. Here is the symmetric plane. Now okay. Now I will bevel this shape. Select these edges. Now click this flat option. I will set the 1 mm, 2 mm as you wish. Now press the OK. It's showing to flat. If you want to flat this top circle and bottom circle, you can press the fillet. Again you can select this faces. It's automatically fillet twice object. Now press OK. Fillet this circular. Now select this face and select this. Now select this face and select this face and press the bevel like a chamfer, then press OK. Select this object, this right button, and going to appearance. Now material type is bronze or aluminium. Select this color. How to make this shape using the free guide. It's very easy and very simple. Thanks to watching my video.